Hi friends, Laura here from Fitness Destination. Are you getting enough protein in your diet? Well, if you're struggling to amp up your protein value, I'm going to show you how you can layer your proteins so that you can get enough protein in your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's go. For breakfast, I'm using egg whites as well as one whole egg for each portion that I'm making. So in this case, you see I'm making 4 portions. I'm also adding a scoop of Vital Proteins protein powder, collagen powder, for each portion as well. This amps up the protein value even more. For lunch, I'm making tuna with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. This is going to amp up your protein value and cut the fat content as well. So I'm just adding Fage's 0% Greek yogurt to the tuna fish instead of that mayo. For dinner, I'm having a chicken tortilla with spinach, some more of that Greek yogurt, and some bell peppers.